Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the data migration tool in XRM Toolbox. This powerful utility helps transfer data between your Dataverse instances efficiently. To begin, simply open your XRM Toolbox application and locate the data transporter plugin within the tool library, then install it. Once installed, you will need to establish connections to both your source and target environments. After connecting, select the specific entity or table whose data you intend to migrate. Now that you are connected, it is time to configure your migration. Carefully choose the exact attributes or columns you wish to include in the transfer. Next, specify the operation type you need. You can create new records, update existing ones, or even delete records in the target environment. For precise control, apply filters using Fetch XML queries to select only the relevant data. Remember, ensuring compatible metadata between your environments is a crucial first step for a smooth process. Handling complex data requires careful attention to mapping and relationships. You will need to map lookup fields to correctly link related records, especially if GUID differ across environments. The tool offers convenient auto-mapping for common fields such as users and currency values. It also supports migrating N, or many-to-many, association data. For repeatable migrations, save your entire configuration as a playlist or schema file, which can save you many hours of setup time. Finally, it is time to execute and verify your data migration. Always preview the operations to be performed before initiating the actual data transfer. This step helps catch potential issues early. Once you are confident, execute the migration and let the tool process your selected data. After completion, carefully review the detailed log files to confirm successful transfers and identify any errors. Lastly, validate the migrated data directly in your target environment to ensure accuracy and completeness, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.